Hi guys, I'm Monica. I'm the senior editor here at FabFitFun. You're watching Customized Close-Up. I'm going to be showing you some of the customization options you have for the fall box. Super exciting. So all members get to pick from this customization option. If you're not a member today, don't have FOMO, fear of missing out for those of you that don't know. So sign up today at FabFitFun.com. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to FabFitFun's channel just so you don't miss out on exclusive spoilers and reveals and just really amazing video content. All right, so what you've been waiting for, let's dive right into these products. First, we're starting off with Cosmedix Pure C. This is made of 100% L-ascorbic acid, so it's basically the most potent, pure form of vitamin C. You essentially mix it into your nighttime serums and moisturizers right before you apply them, and then you just let the vitamin C go to work. And so as you can see on the top, there's two dispensing options, one for a lot more powder and then one for just like a little bit of a dab. I like to just mix it in onto my hand first, and then I'll lightly tap it into my skin and rub it in. So what's also really cool about this is that it's suitable for all skin types, so it helps even out the skin tone, brighten dark spots, because I got some underneath all this foundation. What I would recommend is slowly incorporating this powder into your skincare routine. Oh, and fun fact, you can also add this to your clay mask or your favorite, skincare mask to add a brightening boost. Next up, we have the BaubleBar Farah ear crawlers. Wow, I just nailed it, but try to say that 5 times fast because we had to take this like so many times. Ear crawlers, earrings. BaubleBar is one of my favorite fast fashion jewelry brands, so this is a really exciting customization option in the box. As you can tell, it has really gorgeous, intricate embellishments, and then on the back, there are ear threaders. So these are for you ladies with your ears pierced. I'm going to try these on for you guys today just so you can see how it looks on. But yeah, like I said, super sparkly, really pretty, and they have this like threader post on the back, which makes it really easy to put on. Feels really light. Super pretty. I feel like these are really great for the daytime, the nighttime. It works with my outfit right now. What I also really love about ear crawlers is that it gives the illusion that I have multiple piercings when I really only have 2.
Fake it till you make it.
So these earrings are also super great because you can probably wear them to work, for a date night, for wine night, for mimosas. And fun fact, the founders are 2 friends and they were actually in iBanking together, and then they were just like,
hey, you want to start a jewelry brand? Yeah.
And then that's how BaubleBar came to be. And another little insider tip about these earrings is you basically get 2-for-1 earrings. You just put them down. They look like little drop earrings. My jewelry model now. So next, I am going on to the Better Skin Co. Lava Magik. Just so you know, this baby is a triple threat. So you get a 3-in-1 cleanser, scrub, and mask, and you can use it one after the other or just use it on its own. Honestly, it's really up to you. It's made from volcanic lava from France, which is really cool. So that basically means that it'll help even out the skin tone. This has a little bit of a grainy texture, so it'll help kind of, wipe away those dead skin cells and give you more of a youthful glow. Let's smell this, shall we? It smells so good. It smells like a push pop. And you can use it as a cleanser daily, or you can use it as an exfoliating scrub right before or after cleanser. And you can also just use it as a mask. So really the world is your oyster. Do what you want. It comes with this really cute pink spatula.
So small.
It's so mini. You can use this product to, smear it onto your palm or just all over your face. Whether you use it as a cleanser, scrub, or mask, it's gonna buff away dead skin cells, give you a more radiant glow, and refine the appearance of your pores, and who doesn't want that? So those are all the items in this customization category. Remember, head to FabFitFun.com and make your pick by August 5th. I think it's pretty crystal clear which one I'm going to pick. I'll see you guys next time.